This tutorial will demonstrate how teachers can activate their Savvas content within Schoology. This step must be completed in order for students to access their Savvas materials. After adding Savvas content into a Schoology course, choose a Savvas item. The teacher can choose any Savvas material item to activate their class. This process only needs to be completed one time per class section. Then students will be able to access all Savvas materials. At this point, Realize will set up the class and needs to know the name of the school that the class belongs to. Once the class is selected, the corresponding class will be created in Savvas Realize. Once the Savvas content is loaded, the class has been activated in Savvas Realize. Teachers can verify the class activation by choosing Launch Savvas Realize. Realize will open in a new tab. The name of the section will be displayed towards the top left corner of the window. Notice LMS is in parentheses, indicating that this class was generated by Schoology. Assignments created in Schoology will not show in Realize until the first student accesses that assignment. Teachers will then see the assignment listed under this assignment section. Additionally, when choosing students and groups, no student will be listed until they access an assignment for the first time. If a student is not listed, that student has not yet accessed a Realize assignment from Schoology. Remember, teachers must complete this process for each section. If a teacher teaches multiple sections of a class, they must repeat this process only once for each class section.